Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is me, Meiliana Putri, as the second speaker of the discussion today. And now I would like to continue the explanation from my partner, Siti Nurah Kamaria, about the discussion today. It's about the nature of sociolinguistics for English teachers. Okay, now let's begin. The next point is about micro and macro sociolinguistics. Before we come to the brief explanation, I would like to remind you about the sociolinguistic means. Sociolinguistic explains the role of human in using language to be appropriate in various situations. Or we can say it, sociolinguistics is a study about using language in society. Based on Faizin 2015 mentioned that sociolinguistics is divided into two kinds. First is micro-sociolinguistics and the second is macro-sociolinguistics. Let's start from the first kind. It is micro-sociolinguistics. Microsocial refers to the study of the language phenomenon in social context, symbolized by macro factors. We can say that it is give big portions in the linguistic itself than to the society. Or we can also say that it is the person-to-person communication or interpersonal communication. Here there are three main principles of interaction between individual and a group. First is attainment, interaction of communication. Two, acquisition and modification, communicative competence. And the last is language attitudes. Now let's move to the second kind of sociolinguistics. It is macro-sociolinguistics. Microsocial refers to the sociolinguistics phenomenon, including wider variable, population, language deployment, or the continuity of language, and it refers to the language attitudes, accent, planning, education, etc. Or we can say that the micro-sociolinguistics emphasize the social conditions of the language community with the relationship with the language itself. And here there are three important terms in macro-sociolinguistics. The first is language contact, the second is language conflict, and the third is language and social change. Now let's move to the last topic. To the last point on this topic. It is about the sociolinguistics in teaching English as a foreign language. Today, a foreign language education is needed where the language is used in communicating with other people around the world, with people in abroad, even it is for business, government, education, travel, etc. And the sociolinguistics is needed to make the communication is appropriate in the society. Teaching English as a foreign language, or TEFL, also known as teaching English to speakers of other languages, or TESOL, where students who don't speak English as the first or second language learn or use English as a foreign language. According to Yasmin Bayut in Faizin 2015, state that the importance of sociolinguistics in foreign language education is investigated in three ways. First is towards learning as a foreign language and inclusion of culture in foreign language lessons, and the last is the contribution of language planning to foreign language education. Curriculum and instruction can be arranged to support or to promote positive attitudes towards the foreign language to be learned and the nationalities associated with the language. Meanwhile, inclusion of cultural elements in the foreign language helps the learners to understand new language concept and provides a context for their use. Now, why sociolinguistics is needed or is important in teaching English as a foreign language? Yeah, because the use of sociolinguistics in the classroom will make a major contribution to the progress of foreign language teaching techniques. Also, the learners should be introduced to use English in a social context appropriately in the process of teaching English as a foreign language. They are not only able to express it but also they have capability to determine the correct expression in the appropriate situation, such as from various class, time, age, gender, and also social context. To sum up, teaching English as a foreign language related to the sociolinguistics is important because students are not only need how to speak fluently in the class but also they should know how to speak appropriately in the society. They should be connected with what in the society situation or condition, so their communication is accepted. Okay, I think enough here. I would like to say thank you for you guys to watch this video, and also I apologize to all my mistakes in this discussion. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.